Alright guys, I want to take you along with me as I surprise my daughter with a trip to Georgia. She doesn't know, so we'll be there in a second. Okay, so we finally made it to Georgia. We're in Gainesville, and it took us a little over 5 hours to get here. We made it in last night actually, so this is our first morning here. We're just checking out the pool, and we're gonna go up and look at some mountains by the deck in the pool. So if you look out there, there's some mountains way back there, and I think there's a person that has a lake house as well. So we're just checking out the surroundings, and then we're gonna head to the mall. Okay, so first stop is the brow bar because my auntie wanted to get her eyebrows threaded because she said they were out of control. And then we're going to go check out this store. I wanted to get something that had Georgia on it, so I'm just going to check out some sweatpants and see if I can get some bottoms. Even if I don't get the whole tracksuit, I just want to get the pants. So I'm going to check that out real quick. So real talk, this is like a little praline shop, and it smells so sweet in here. My stomach started hurting just from smelling all of the sweet stuff in here. My daughter was really taken by the different toppings and stuff. She wanted to get some ice cream, so we're gonna grab ice cream. My auntie got one thing out of here, and we all just kind of shared that because everything in here was so big. I'm gonna show you these Rice Krispie treat candies over here. So they have Rice Krispie treats covered in sprinkles, M&Ms, chocolate, peanut butter, anything, you just name it. My auntie and my cousin ran to Sephora to try to find a lip gloss that they wanted to get. So while they went inside, me and MAURLEE stayed out here, and I let her kind of play around because I do have to keep in mind that shopping isn't as fun to children as it is to adults. So I wanted to let her be free and run wild for a little bit, just so she can have some fun. We shopped all day, then went home and had a break, and then my cousin wanted her boyfriend to come with us out to eat, or actually he decided he wanted to go to this place and eat. So we came and got some seafood at the Crab Hut. So they had a live band, so I just wanted to show you guys that here. And then we had a good night out just being together, and then we're gonna go to church tomorrow. After church, we just decided to go on a little walk downtown. So we're just going to visit some of the shops along the streets and see if we can find like a cute cafe or something. This cute little spot is called Avocados, and it was packed in here, and they only do brunch and dinner, and so brunch time was packed. It was people outside and all inside, and so I didn't want to wait, so I decided I'll just come back the next time we're in Georgia. I did grab a menu so that I can see the types of things that they have on here, but I'll definitely be coming back because I took a look at the little bar that they had, and it was some really good stuff there. I didn't want to get too close to the food, but while I was there, I saw avocado toast. They had scrambles with eggs with avocado. They had quinoa salad with avocados. They had different types of meat with avocados. So it was just avocadoed out. So after we got done downtown, we went home, changed our clothes because we were still in church clothes at this time. We had something to eat, and then we went out to Dave and Buster's. I've never been here before either, so when we got here, we just kind of walked around the whole place to see what we wanted to do first. And then all four of us, we tried to find games that we could do together, so that was pretty neat. And then we just had a good time. Marley is just like me. She loves car games and things that you can drive, even if it's like a motorcycle or something. So she was glued to this game, and she did like 2 more car driving games, and she had so much fun doing that. Okay, so it is the next day. We collapsed last night whenever we came back in from Dave and Buster's, so I didn't even vlog anything else. We're on our way to Atlanta, which is about only like a 45-minute drive. I think we want to go to IKEA and Whole Foods, and then we want to find something to eat tonight. It's been raining pretty much most of the day, so we're just going to try to have what we want to do written down already so we can just go there and get back in, because tomorrow is the day that we go back home. This is a vibe. The mood in here is right. I think this could be my kitchen. I love everything about it. Is this the one? Is this it? Marley is in need of a desk in her room so bad because when she does homework at home, she either sits at the bar or on the couch. So we just stopped to see if we could find something here before we go to Target. I found some plain mats while we were in here to do some designs on. I've been looking for these everywhere, so I might have to order these online because I really need some. We spotted Whole Foods, so we decided to go ahead and go inside. I think in here I just picked up some juice and I got some strawberries just for a little snack so we could have before we went to the restaurant. So after we got done shopping, we went downtown Atlanta and went to this marketplace. I'll try to put the name on the screen once I figure out what it was. But inside of this little place, it had different restaurants that you could choose to go to. We actually decided to go to this authentic Mexican restaurant, and it was so good. I was really happy with the meal that we had, and the mood was really nice. It was dim lights, kind of dark, nice setting, and the whole experience was really nice. So if you're in town, definitely check it out. Alright, so we got up this morning about 6:30 to head home, so we're almost there now. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. See you in the next video.